and welcome. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. We have now reached day 22, so 22. We have 3 days left in the year. I'm so excited. This has been such a wonderful project. I've loved the community. I've loved the comments that everyone's been leaving and the questions. So excited. This has really gotten my mojo back into my watercoloring, which I really needed. And today is a tree. Oh, absolutely love this. I was wondering about size-wise. So let's see. It's just under 2 inches, about 1 3/4 inches tall. So that is a beautiful stamp. Let's see if it will fit on my medium block. It will. Wonderful. So I had an idea to do a card of the seasons with this. I've seen a bunch of different stamp sets that have different seasons on them, so that's kind of my inspiration for today. And I'm bringing in my Daisy Bunch stamp. I use this frequently for kind of foliage around. I know I've got a bunch of different stamps that we've received throughout, but I felt that to kind of make it for all seasons, I would bring this one in for this today. So let me see if the size of blocks I was intending on using will fit, and it does look like it will. Perfect. Okay. So I do have a scratch piece of cardstock here that I like to use when I'm stamping off on. So you'll see me stamp off. Sometimes I do it on the back side of my watercolor paper, but I'm going to use this here. I'm going to go ahead and just let you listen in while I watercolor. So enjoy, and I'll be back at the end. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and we are on day 22 of our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. What a beautiful little scene here. Quick, easy, and simple. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Take care and have a great day.